Phil Snigowski, welcome to the first ever Skype Shameless Sunday. How does it feel?
It feels great. Thanks for having me.
Oh, well, that's a very nice hat. Speaking of a very nice hat, I hear you enjoy Notre Dame and would like an iPhone case for said Notre Dame.
It'd be nice.
I sent you a Notre Dame phone case, as you know. You've been diligent and haven't opened it. I appreciate it.
So I should open the package now, huh?
Yes.
Would you do the honors of unboxing for me?
Sure. I gotta get my knife.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's in my pocket though.
Should I show it to the camera?
Yeah, you need to show it to the camera.
I expect it to be green. It's cool.
Oh, that's nice.
I know, right?
It's almost there.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that is nice. Notre
I
Dame.
like it. I like the green, actually. It's
Still brown. It fits.
4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man. Yeah, I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away. Yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
the completely monotone. That's really cool.
4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need a money with a face like that, do you?